I'm Claire Bradley. I'm a genealogist in Ireland. Today I'm going to unbox an Ancestry DNA kit and show you what's inside it. I've got the box here. It came in the post after I ordered it, and it came with plastic wrap around it. I've already removed that. So you lift up the flap and you can see that there's actually another box inside it. It's like past the parcel. So on the inside of the first box, you see that there are instructions on how to take the test and how to mail the test back to Ancestry so they can process your results. Let's open the second box. Inside the second box, we get several things. The first is some instructions on how to activate your DNA kit. I'm going to do a separate video to show you how to do that. Underneath that, there is a little plastic bag to put your sample into when you've done your test. We've also got inside a plastic encased test, and this is the tube that you're going to spit into to provide your DNA sample. And then finally, we have another box. Now I'm in Ireland, so this is a box that I'm going to be mailing back to somewhere in Ireland. If you're in another country, it will have a different address on it. So this is the little box that the tube is going to go back into, which I can then put in the post, and the postage is already paid. Follow me for other videos and other content. My links are at the bottom of the screen. Thanks.